Remember when I showed you my hair earlier and there was hardly any hair left up there? Now there is. I want to encourage you, if you're experiencing hair loss, that there is hope for you. There is solutions, and affordable solutions at that. It will change the perspective you have on your life. You know, having found a solution myself, I'm thrilled to wake up in the morning. I'm not embarrassed anymore. I like being who I am. I like going out and meeting new people. You know, I don't have a problem going out to an interview and talking to somebody about a job, and I don't feel like they're going to tell me I'm too old like they had before. Life, look at this. It's worth living. And you can find that solution too. It's out there. And we're here to help. There is hope for hair loss.